Alrighty then. Playing? Yeah. Hey buddy, come on. Come on. Go on. There you go. And we gotta stop and sniff stuff. But he's a connoisseur of the peculiar smells. He likes to sniff butts. He's a good dog, though. He just walks right along. I think I got some of his energy down. He's splashing around the water, running up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill. Now he got to pee. I love dogs, man. Dog don't have a care in the world. His big thing is me. When I leave to go to work, he just gets so depressed. And he spends his day just waiting on me. And then when I get home, it's like a big party. He attacks me. He jumps up on my lap and hugs me. I've never had a dog hug me before, but this dog does. He hugs me and licks my face and bites my nose. Whoa. It's crazy. It looks like he's getting sidetracked here. Where are you going, bud? What are you doing? Sniffing the garbage? You know, people are garbage, man. They just throw their garbage everywhere. This is a nice little beautiful spot. And people just throw their garbage everywhere. You know, I'm a litter bug. I've littered. You know, I've thrown many a beer can out my window driving around. You can't be getting caught with empty beer cans in your vehicle. If you do, then they're just gonna wreck your life. I try not to litter, you know. Getting ready to go up Floozy Curve. And one day we met two floozies in the woods here. Buddy didn't like them. That freaked me out a little bit. I think it was because they had a heavy smell of perfume on them. But the one, she had a can of PBR in her hand. And when she come out, she set it down here, but somebody took it. It used to be right there. Huh. He used to call it Floozy Curve. I guess I can't do that now. Oh well, we're gonna head back to the house. And check on the girl, and I should say girls. We got the mommy kitty there. Alright, y'all have a good day. And please be safe. Bye.